So our mixture is now ready. It is ready for rolling, so we are going to be using the grape leaves. These are grape leaves. This is what we are going to use to roll. The rice is going to be in, and then we will cook. We almost forgot this very important ingredients, the tomato paste. So we are going to add it, and when it cools down, we are going to start putting the rice inside the grape leaves. We are going to use approximately 2 tablespoons. That is enough. Our Egyptian rice mixture for Mahshi. The name is Mahshi, but a lot of people say Warak Enab. So it's ready now. This is how it looks when it's ready for rolling. We're going to roll it inside the grape leaves. So these leaves comes in different sizes. They are big ones like this one, and they are small ones. So they are stuffed according to the size. Stuff according to size. So we had continued from where we were when I was showing earlier. And this is just a sample of the one that I will do. As you can see, there's a big difference in sizes. So there we go, stuffing. It's an exciting activity, but most people don't like this activity. So there we go, rolling. And this is how it's supposed to look. These are the much we have made. There's more also. They are frozen. After you finish, you can freeze and eat them later in months to come. And also, as you can see, we have a little remaining. So here I'm sharing a few of them as I prepare them. So there we have tomato sauce, black pepper and olive oil and lemon juice. We also add the molasses, pomegranate molasses. Mix them well, and then we add the water to the lid on the pan. So we have to put water as well. So there are the potatoes on the pan, cooking pan. We arrange the stuffed grape leaves, add the sauce and cook on low fire.